Hey guys, so this is how you're going to embed your Tekmatix form to your WordPress website. So let's assume you got your site on WordPress. So you just need to integrate both parties if you don't want to create your website inside Tekmatix. So this is what you need to do. The first thing that you need is to install the plugin. So our plugin in WordPress, I will type it here. It is called Lead Connector. It should be no spaces. Sorry for that. Just move this thing. And yeah, so you'll see this lead connector right here. We already added in. So basically this is all set, but you can definitely install it on your end if you haven't got it. So this is what the lead connector logo looks like. So please make sure you got this one up. And yeah, so that should be it. So that's the lead connector plugin. And what we need to do next is to get the form embed. So what you need to do, go to your Tekmatix site. I'm currently on sites and courses under form, under builder, and this is where you're going to create your form. So we have existing forms in here, but for the sake of this demo, I will create a new one and I will show you step by step on how to do that. So just click on add form. And then after that, let's just wait for that one. Yep. So the first thing that you need to do is rename the form. So as you can see, it's called form 26. So just to make it like, for the organization, please rename your form. So go here on the right hand side, click on option and rename it. So let me just call it WordPress form, and then that would be it. Then from options, switch to field and add in the necessary field. So what I'm going to do here is I will just require their first name, their last name, their email, and their phone. It will be up to you, whatever like field that you want to add. And after that one, I would like to add a custom field. So from standard, I just click on custom field beside it. Scroll down to the bottom and then you will see that this add custom field option. Click on that one and add the custom field that you want to add. So this would be necessary if you don't have the necessary the if you don't have the required field onto the standard field. So you just create one for yourself. So I just want to require maybe a single line. I'll just click next. I will just ask, how can I help you today? And I help you today. And yeah, so let's just do it that way. On group, we have a different tutorial for this one, but by default, you can actually just put it on additional info. And then after that one placeholder, I just need to I'll just put here tell us what maybe just do please tell us how we can serve you, just for example, and then click save. And then after that one, that custom field would be onto the last field. So what you need to do is just click on that one and drag it across the screen and it will look like this. And I will add another field on maybe a numeric one. So I'll just require a number in here, click next. And what I'm going to ask is how many social media accounts do you have? Do you have? And I'll put here number of social media sites as a placeholder. And then group still on default, additional info. And again, just drag it across the screen and it will look like this. So that's the placeholder right there onto the gray box. And the most important thing and the last thing that you need to add in here is a button. So scroll down under standard. I just switched to standard. Here to the bottom, please click on button here and drag it across the screen. Click on that button to customize it. So I'll just maybe put submit my form, and then you can do like different customization in here. Like usually what I'll do with the button is when I click on that one, it will show this window on the right. I put it on full width change the background color into maybe blue just for default. And then I usually put a radius just to make it like kind of round. And I'll put 25 in here, and this is what it looked like. If you want to change the font color, you will have an option in here, and you can also change the font type if you want. So let me just adjust the size for the font. I'll just do it like this, and that should be it. So basically, that's my form. When you go to styles, you have different options on how to customize your form in here. What I usually do is I get rid of I think border. Yeah, so we have one border in here. I'll just put it in 0 because I don't want border in my page. So yeah, so that would be it. And then um under here on options, please turn on sticky contacts always when you're creating form. It will it won't create, so every form submission, it won't create duplicate to your contacts in case that specific contact is already onto the system. So yeah, turning sticky contact will just put on all of the submission into one client record, and it won't create another contact record for every form submission. So please turn that on, and that would be it. I'll just click save. And yeah. So here under options, you also have an option to um, redirect the submission here under on submit. So what will happen when someone submitted a form, you can either redirect them to a certain URL. It could be a thank you page, it could be an upsell or stuff like that. But you can also have the option to just give them a specific message. So for me, I'll just do message in here, and the message would be, um, thank you for submitting the form. Thank you for completing the form. The form, our team, um, our team will reach out to you. I'll just do it like this. What I usually do is put it as a headline to make it like appear big, and then I put it on center. So yeah, so that's usually what I do. Font color, I don't want it to be like black. I want to put it on maybe this one, just for a test. So let's see how what it will look like. And yeah, so that would be good. Click on save, and after that one, click on integrate form and copy embed code. So that's the embed code you need to embed to your WordPress website. So on the other tab, I have here the site that I want to use. So basically, yeah. So pick a specific like block or a row that you want to add the form. So in here, I'll just fill in this exact like whole page with a form. So I'll just drag this row right here and put it here. Yeah, so that would be it. And after that one, I'll just go to modules and just drag the custom CSS. So HTML, drag it across. So sorry, I have to start over again. So let me just drag this column and drag the element, or we call it module in WordPress. Drag the HTML in here. It will show you this windows depending on what theme you're using. So, but if you need a further assistance on how to set this one up, please book a call with our team and we can just jump on with you. So what we'll do next is go to your form, copy embed code. We know we just copy it, but I just need to make sure. Paste that code here under general, and that's it. So we already got your form in here. It just looks crazy here onto the preview. But let me just preview it to see what it looks like. When I preview layout, it will look like this. Sorry, this is a preview. This is what it looks like. And when I fill it in, test, let's do that. Oh, I have to do it. This is a fake number. Um, um, WordPress. Let's just do WordPress. And how many social media accounts you have? Since this is a number, I'll just do maybe 4. Submit my form, and let's just wait for that one to load. And that should be it. So currently the traffic is really crazy with this site. But yeah, so basically that's how you work out on embedding the form into your WordPress site from Tekmatix. So we also have a separate training on how to create um, automations with form submission, and please look for our YouTube channel for that one. Thank you guys. That would be it.